You want beef, I put the bread on the burger. I ain't scared, plenty bitches try to threat, but they ain't heard the land of the 410, home of the murder.
What's good, love buds? Yes, I'm laying on the floor. Yes. It's about to be 9 o'clock, basically. I have to get my hair done at 11 o'clock. So that's what I'm doing today. You guys are coming with me. I'm so tired. I do not know why. I woke up late. I'm tired. I don't know why. But anywho, that's what I'm doing today. It's going to be a little video first, like what I got versus what I mean. So it's going to be like a little vlog video today, kind of like what I asked for versus what I got. So I want a haircut because my hair is just like, that's what it is. That's my description about my hair. I don't hate it, but I hate it. Like, I can't do anything with it. Like, it's so thick. I need a haircut. I just need a haircut. Like, I just need my ends trimmed. I need to start taking care of my hair. So this will be the beginning of a hair journey. I probably will do hair videos. Start taking better care of my hair. So I will do a lot of hair videos on here because that's personally what I want to do for myself, because I'm tired of always getting to this stage when I literally have to go get my hair done. I have to pay to get my hair done. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. And like I said, I'm so tired. I just don't know why. I don't know. Like, we didn't go to sleep till like 2, but that's kind of normal for us a little bit. But I just don't know why I'm so tired. But anyway, I'll see you guys like when I'm on my way to the salon. When I'm at the salon, it's just gonna be like a quick little vlog. And just, it's just gonna be a little bit supple. I have no clue what I'm talking about. I see y'all like when I pick up the camera. Alright. I'm like a little bit of nervous, but like a lot of bit of nervous. Because like the little bit of nervousness is like, because this is what I wanted to do. This is what I know I need to do. But then like the lot of bit of nervous is like, bitch, you're getting your hair cut. Your hair grew. It got longer. All you need is a trim. You don't gotta cut it. You're not gonna be able to put it in a ponytail. You're not gonna be able to braid it. You're not gonna be able to put a wig on. You're not gonna be able to do this. You're not gonna be able to do that. It's not gonna look right. You got a big head. There's just so much that's going through my head. But like I said, I need it, and I'm going through it. I mean, an appointment I already made. It's today, so it's too late to back down now. You know what the best thing is? This is a stylist that you don't have to come with your hair washed and blow dried. Cause stylists be talking about, oh, your day stylist. I want you to pay $200 to do this and do that. But you gotta wash and blow dry your own hair before you get here. Alright, cool. That's dirty. I'm here, y'all. About to get my hair washed. I'm excited. Y'all want me to hold on. Under the dryer, everybody's favorite part. That deep condition, you need it. I know I do, cause I don't be doing it, but nobody has to know. That's why this is a new hair journey. Ooh. This is the before, y'all. Y'all can see my ratchet hair. about to be gone. It's gonna be sniff, 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 gone. I'm scared, but then at the same time, I'm not. So while I'm here, I ended up getting my hair longer than what I actually wanted. I really didn't want it short. As long as them dead ends was gone, that's all that matters. But do y'all like it? Because I do. That's all that matters. So I am about to get a smoothie from this place called, I don't even know what it's called, but I just thought always people on Twitter and Instagram with it, so I'm getting it because I don't want what free one. So it's like a tropical smoothie place. Tropical smoothie cafe.